Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your Motorola Razr Ultra Android mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go your Google Play Store. When you tap on your Google Play Store, a new window open on your screen, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the here at the top of the screen you can see a you can see a logo or a DP of your Gmail account. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account, and at the corner of the screen you can see a type of arrow. When you click on it, or tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of add another account. Okay, when you click on add another account, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts which is logged in your Android mobile phone. So you can choose anyone Gmail account which you want to remove. Okay, in my case I select the second one. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of remove account. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new pop-up window you can see on your screen just like that. Here just simple click on OK. Click or just simple tap on OK button. Okay, when you tap on it, the Gmail accounts from your Android mobile phone has been removed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.